Let's perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We're gonna check what is the download speed on this phone, and I also performed a similar test on my computer using, of course, the same network, just to compare the results. So over here on S26 Ultra, you can see that we have approximately 406 megabits per second of the download speed, and on my computer I managed to get 892. Unfortunately, I don't have Wi-Fi 7, this is Wi-Fi 6 standard, but still we can see a little bit of a difference. The download speed is over twice as slow compared to the computer. The upload speed is also noticeably slower, unfortunately. Maybe that's just like a one-time thing, because on my computer I have 85 megabits per second, which is of course still slow compared to the download speed. I actually have a really bad upload speed. But in here, I got 42.8, which for some reason is much lower, twice as slow again, even though it should be pretty much identical. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.